Welcome San Joaquin Delta College Psych Tech instructors. This is a brief tutorial on how to submit the digital clinical evaluation tool for Nursing 10L.
TracPrac, which is short for Tracking Practice, is a digital clinical evaluation system on demand. The access is web-based via browsers for students and instructors. It allows you to simplify and accelerate the communication of your clinical performance evaluations.
Before we get started, here are a few best practices for using TracPrac online evaluations. Keep in mind these evaluations are live and will need to be submitted in one sitting. They are very quick to submit, and so if you do step away, please remember that you will need to log out and log back in to complete the evaluation. For browsers, please do not use Internet Explorer. It is no longer supported, and if you're on a Mac, please only use the Safari browser. Our summer support hours are 7 to 5 p.m. Pacific, Monday through Friday, 10 to 3 p.m. on Saturday, and we are closed on Sunday. You may always use our live chat on our website, or you may call us toll-free, or you may also send us an email and our team will respond within 24 hours. Once you log into TracPrac, step 1 for getting started with the evaluation is to click on the Evaluation tab at the top of the page and then select your course, which is listed as CET10L Psych Tech. Step 2, to open and begin the student clinical evaluation, you will click on the button labeled Create New NURSPT10L Psych Tech. This will open a new evaluation so that you may begin. As a reminder, this is a live form and the evaluation must be completed for each student in one sitting. It does move very quickly and it will be submitted immediately to the student. Step 3, you will enter the student details in the top section of the form and then choose if it is a midterm or final evaluation. You will select the student from the drop-down. You will type in the clinical site. You'll choose the rotation dates and select any absences or tardies from the calendar. You will also enter the number of medication errors or the description, and then finally select the type, whether it's a midterm or final. You will continue scrolling down on the page to see each of the program learning outcomes and the matching course outcomes. You will review each learning outcome and select the rating for each by simply touching or selecting the number on the line. You will also type feedback in the box that follows each section. If no comments are necessary, simply type "Not applicable." Once you have reviewed and selected a performance rating for each of the outcomes, you will see the total points calculated automatically and the total percentage calculated at the bottom of the outcomes. For your final step, you will simply add any additional instructor comments that you would like to share with the student in the box. You will type your name in the instructor signature box, and the date will populate automatically. Once you have completed all entries on the page, you will click the Submit button in the bottom right corner. This will immediately submit it to the student and send an email notification for them to review and acknowledge the evaluation at TracPrac.com. To confirm that the CET was submitted successfully to the student, simply click on the Evaluation tab and then the course number, and you will see any submissions that you have submitted. Under the status column, you will see Submitted to Student. Under the Action column, you may click Export to download a PDF copy. Once you submit all evaluations to the students, and then they are able to acknowledge, the CET will move under the Completed filter in TracPrac. Simply change the filter to Completed to view all the completed submissions. If you need to export a copy, simply click on Export next to each student and download a PDF version of the evaluation. This concludes the instructor tutorial for the San Joaquin Delta College Clinical Evaluation Tool. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our live chat on our website, call us toll-free, or email us at support@tracprac.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial and have a great semester.